At the end, the governor.
Lord Gongsun Zan, you can't start a fight here. Please, let us walk away together.
You'll see, Yuan Shao. I'm the one whose name will shine the brightest on the field of battle.
Friend, thank you. It's lucky that he had you there by his side. I fear my fellow student has a temper. Forgive me. My name is Liu Bei. Let us defeat that traitor Dong Zhuo and bring peace back to our land.
Zhao Yun, what are you doing?
Zhao Yun is my name. I hope we meet again. Perhaps on the field of battle. Master Gongsun Zan, what do you know of the man I was speaking to?
Liu Bei? He and I were students together. He was always quite gentle, but that's pretty much all he was.
Just gentle? No. There's something about him.
We shall destroy the traitor and his ilk. Forward! It is up to us to restore order to the Han!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
A true warrior indeed! You will carry our honor across the land! You think to win alone? Learn how wrong you truly are!
Another has fallen to my spear!
This face belongs to us now! You think to win alone? Learn how wrong you truly are!
Another has fallen to my spear!
And now you lose! This face belongs to us now! You fight alone? Are you brave or a fool? Let us find out!
Another has fallen to my spear!
We must rouse ourselves for this fight!
You believe your wits are a match for mine?
Another has fallen to my spear!
This face belongs to us now!
Come and face me!
Another has fallen to my spear!
I shall pull back for now. However, we shall meet in battle again!
Another has fallen to my spear!
You're doing great. I will try to live up to your example.
Lao Gate, the last bastion of defense for the Imperial Court. I never imagined I would fight to destroy it. However, we cannot save the Han if we shirk from this duty. Loyal people of the Han, let us fight!
I am the dragon!
You think to outsmart me? Don't make me laugh.
Another has fallen to my spear!
A true warrior indeed! You will carry our honor across the land!
You have no one to accompany you? Then die!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! I am the dragon!
Trying to do it by yourself is for fools!
And now you
Such a fool cannot beat me!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
My dream is just out of reach. Just out of...
Another has fallen to my spear!
Well fought, my friends! We have achieved victory!
I wield my spear in the name of justice!
What do you say about it all now, Yuan Shao? It was my White Riders the enemy feared most. It was the White Rider. Zhao Yun, you fought almost as well as I did out there. I want you around. You've got a big future with me. Right. I'll be due some honors for this fight, that's for certain. This country needs more men like me.
Let us defeat that traitor Dong Zhuo and bring peace back to our land.
Master Gong Sun Zan, physical strength will not bring back peace to our land. It is something else. Lord, forgive me. I seek something greater than strength. I find that I must leave your side for a time.
What? Where are you going, Zhao Yun?
To search for what I seek. I ask that you forgive my breach of duty. And I know where to start. Liu Bei! There is more to that man than meets the eye.
Forgive me, Zhao Yun. I don't like telling a good warrior to go. Your offer must be declined. Alas. I don't know whether we'll escape or not. We are outnumbered by Cao Cao's forces. I cannot ask you to join a rout.
Light must be brought back to the land. You talked about peace in the land. I think you can accomplish this. You'll need other men's aid to do it. I have come here to offer help. Today we need strength, so I wield my spear. We shall drive away the darkness. We will ride into war together. Come, follow me.
We must shake off this pursuit. Hurry to the docks in Guan Yu.
Lord Liu Bei, take us with you.
We wish to follow you and see a new world.
Yes, come with us on our journey. Those who can fight protect those who cannot.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
You're doing great. I will try to live up to your example.
The enemy is very strong. We are being forced back.
Men, we must hold them back! It's do or die!
Another has fallen to my spear!
I have come for your head.
Another has fallen to my spear!
True to your reputation, such a display will boost the morale of our troops.
I had so wanted to see the world he would have made.
You cowards dare to attack the people? Your acts will not be forgiven nor forgotten.
My beauty must not be soiled by defeat. I shall return.
Another has fallen to my spear!
The docks are just ahead. Just a little bit farther. We're almost there.
My lord, enemy reinforcements are approaching.
You believe your wits are a match for mine?
Another has fallen to my spear!
The support of the people for our Lord is his strength. I cannot allow you to threaten it any longer.
And now you lose!
How did you ever survive this long? You stand in the way of my cousin's fate. That ends today.
My lord, enemy reinforcements are approaching.
me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear!
We must rouse ourselves for this fight!
My lord, enemy reinforcements have arrived. This space belongs to us now! I am the dragon!
Fight me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Amazing! We will have to display our strength as well!
Another has fallen to my spear!
You're doing great. I will try to live up to your example.
If you're in a hurry to meet your death, Zhang Fei of Yan welcomes you to taste his blade!
Let's go! And now move!
That I should be beaten in battle.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Oh, you just reached another level of brilliance!
us now! My lord, enemy reinforcements are approaching!
I have come for your head!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
True to your reputation, such a display will boost the morale of our troops.
Another has fallen to my spear!
True to your reputation, such a display will boost the morale of our troops.
Come and face me! I shall pull back for now. However, we shall meet in battle again!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Liu Bei, you wander the land seeking people to join your cause. I shall put an end to that here and now.
And now you lose!
The people have reached the docks? Wait just a bit more. I shall be there soon. This escape is a victory for us. Well done, everyone.
I wield my spear in the name of justice!
Zhao Yun, come with us.
You'll break your skull if you're not more careful.
I do not fear the pain. As long as I am able to stand and fight, I will advance my lord's cause.
Zhao Yun.
My lord, I know that you feel conflicted regarding it, how we can attack Chengdu. It must fall. I understand that in my heart and mind. Your vision requires it so.
Visions? Dreams? Zhao Yun, are they illusions? After I take Chengdu and cause pain to Master Liu Zhang, can I ever be the same man I am today? Or will my heart be filled with clouds and confusion, like those that haunt the land?
I think you'll remain you. Being a leader is hard and difficult. My lord, you must believe in yourself as we believe in you.
We must go on, even at the expense of virtue. My friends, I ask that you place your trust in me and accompany me to a new future.
We shall swing around to the west. Zhuge Liang, I leave the rest to you.
I understand. Together we shall prepare the stage for victory.
This is an excellent forest, a perfect place to set up an ambush.
liar and a thief. He shall not have this land of Shu. Prepare for battle.
There you are. You shall not pass here. Well, well, well. Look at what we have here. Are you lost? You didn't really think you could pass so easily through a road like this.
I work for a greater purpose. It is a purpose that even I will risk my life for.
What fools come rushing through a forest? This mistake shall be your last.
Lord Liu Zhang, the peace of Chengdu. We shall protect all. Hey, the enemy's a lot tougher than I thought. I've made a bother of myself, haven't I? But I am saved, thanks to you.
Another has fallen to my spear!
I suppose it's time I got moving. What do you say? We take an enemy base?
You think to outsmart me? Don't make me laugh.
Another has fallen to my spear!
You are as good as they say. I'll have to work a bit harder to keep up.
The enemy is very strong. We are being forced back.
Do not allow them to bring war to our land. We must protect the peace.
You face me alone? What do you seek in such a battle?
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen
present battle, but I thank you for your aid. Our path to the future begins here, from Shu.
I wield my spear in the name of justice! Hanzhong. The land where the founder of the Han lived. Where he first declared his intentions for the land. All of that is in the past. What will our lord and his title of king mean today?
As one gets older and older, we tend to walk through the halls of memory more and more frequently. You can look at the past with great clarity, but you must also consider the current times as they occur. And so the present day and the past merge and become our future.
That makes sense. We link Liu Bei to the founder in the people's minds.
First, you must educate people about the past. Then they will truly wonder what the future is holding.
I hope the name of the king of the past will bring us a great future for this land.
The forefather of the Han, Liu Bang, rose from Hanzhong. I must do so as well.
We must drive the enemy from Mount Shaqi and claim it ourselves. From there, we can see the entire battlefield.
We must prove our courage to the enemy. Charge!
Astounding! Fight me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Face me if you think you are worthy. An excellent display of skill. We shall fight again.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! I am the dragon!
You have come too far. I cannot lose to an idiot like you.
Another has fallen to my spear!
You're even stronger than I thought!
This space belongs to us now!
I wonder if Lord Cao Cao is okay. I better go and protect him.
Another has fallen to my spear!
By yourself, hmm? You appear to have underestimated me. Now die!
Another has fallen to my spear!
wasn't expecting that. Impossible. How could I have lost?
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! This fate belongs to us now!
You have come too far. I cannot lose to an idiot like you.
Another has fallen to my spear!
It appears the resistance is futile.
Now we lose! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! And now we lose! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
I must pull back here. My ambition is not yet extinguished.
Another has fallen to my spear!
We have gained control of Hanzhong. From this day forth, I take the name of King of Hanzhong.
I wield my spear in the name of justice!
He still will have his revenge?
Yes. I always knew Master Guan Yu held a special place in our Lord's heart.
I know. Though we oppose Wu in our fight, a battle fought merely for revenge does not have honor.
I suppose. But one might also say that within his heart, he's constant as a star.
You're right. When it comes to his friends, above all else, he is loyal. And that supersedes all of the dogma. There's the proof right there. Even in his position, he risks his life for a friend. He sacrifices for his brothers as he does for the land and its people.
Yes. He brings hope to the land. It is our duty to protect him and that hope.
I shall avenge my brother no matter what the cost. Forward! Leave nothing of Wu left standing!
Fight me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear! This fate belongs to us now! us now! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! This space belongs to us now!
Hey, we're going. You should come with. At least I know we won't trip over you.
Ready! Let our spirit ride upon these flames! Release!
Those cowards from Wu are using fire? I should have seen this coming.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Now step back and let me handle this.
The battle has turned in our favor. Forward! Attack Liu Bei's main camp!
Oh, they're even stronger than I thought.
Another has fallen to my spear!
We are in a most difficult spot.
Face me if you dare.
Men, we must hold them back! It's do or die!
And now you move!
The enemy is very strong. We are being pushed back.
It was a lot of fun. See ya.
Another has fallen to my spear!
I was too late. Ma Liang, it is up to us to open a path for Lord Liu Bei.
So, you are next. I'll crush you.
It cannot be helped. We must open the path to the Stone Sentinels. The Stone Sentinels will let us through, but confuse our enemies. It will give us time to regroup.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
I trusted that you would come. I appreciate your assistance. Now that's how it's done. You inspire us all. Men, we must hold them back! It's do or die! This appears to be as far as we
I
go!
am the dragon!
Fight me now, for glory! The situation is dire.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Still not quite up to my level.
I am the dragon!
This place is obviously an enemy trap, but we must find a way to pass through it.
I guess you will do for an opponent.
Now that's how it's done. Inspire us all.
And now you lose! Another has fallen to my spear!
I can't end here?
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Let me be your opponent. I have not reached my dream.
Another has fallen to my spear! And now you lose! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
You have allowed your pride to overcome your senses. One person cannot decide that.
And now you lose! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Fight me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear!
Nice job! but still not quite up to my level. Oh, man, it was just getting interesting. You didn't need to bring me any reinforcements.
Men, we must hold them back! It's do or die!
Another has fallen to my spear!
No enemy can stand before us. Let us press the advance together. Fight me now, for glory!
Another has fallen to my spear!
You have defeated many of my men and leaders. Now I shall avenge them.
I shall fight you.
That's how it's done. You inspire us all. And now we move!
This is it? Father, brother, forgive me.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Victory is ours! Guan Yu, were you watching?
I wield my spear in the name...
I don't know. Was I wrong this entire time? Or did I just overestimate my own ability? I cared for the people, and because of it, they all risked their lives. And what was it all worth? So many are dead.
So, will you now quit your chosen path? Of course, it is for you to decide. I lay down my spear at your feet, my lord. If within your heart you still care, then your duty is to fight for the people. You must move beyond this battle. Find a path through your sorrow. For as long as my lord moves forward, I, Zhao Yun, will continue to open the path with my spear.
Yes, Zhao Yun. Yes. Thank you. As we face this battle today, I have no doubt we will win. I've discovered how weak I am, but I have found a vision that will not fade away. And here, you have all gathered to support me, despite knowing of this weakness.
My lord.
Ah, I am truly blessed by your faith. I swear to you this. My own life is not as important as this vision of mine.
Let us go, my lord. Let this battle be a beacon to all. Our vision will shine across the land!
Our fates will be decided on this land of Hanzhong. A new age is in our reach.
Sima Yi is certain to have laid traps. We must keep an eye on the enemy and advance with caution.
Rush the Shu main camp from the southeastern cliffs. Elevated land gives you the advantage. Use it.
The enemy is on the cliffs!
Attacking from the cliffs? I applaud you, Sima Yi. You are ingenuous in your use of men.
Men, we must hold them back! It's do or die! Let's go! This space belongs to us now!
Holding territory is fundamental to waging war. We must attack the enemy base and take it for ourselves! So, you are next! I'll crush you!
I pity you as well. Having such a weak husband must leave you unfulfilled, I would imagine.
There is none who can compare with my lord's wisdom and integrity. Not that you and your lord would know what that is.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
Amazing! We will have to display our strength as well!
We should all aspire to such greatness.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Allow me to test your resolve. Is that the best you can do?
And now you lose!
I suppose death is something even I cannot overcome.
Another has fallen to my spear!
How could you do this to me?
Another has fallen to my spear!
A true warrior indeed! You will carry our honor across the land!
It has come time.
Do it!
Trap! Pull back! No! Go forward!
Fools! You are stuck? Do not worry. It will be over soon. My lord, an enemy force has appeared behind us. Our rear flank is vulnerable to attack.
Lord Liu Bei will bring an end to the fighting. This will be the last battle we need to fight. Let's move!
Xiao Yun, you've come. I'm counting on you. Open me a path.
My head is most difficult to crack.
This doesn't look good. Somebody, send help at once.
Fall into my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear! And now he has fallen to my spear!
The new world should have now.
Another has fallen to my spear!
The chaos has ended. Thank you. My friends, I swear to bring charity back to this world.
I wield my spear in the name of justice! You're making me commander? My lord, there are many men here who are much more worthy than I am.
Those that you deem more worthy have all recommended you to lead. I find that I agree. I believe that you are the most worthy to be commander over all the forces of this land. I hope to create a world where weapons and armies are no longer needed. I regret that it is not yet that time. Strength is required to keep the peace. Xiao Yun, please take this position in loyalty to me. Use your spear to protect this land.
I will, my lord. I give you my word. I will serve the land as you command me, lord. My spear is yours. Xiao Yun will risk his life to protect the land.